You how to make tea using a stove. First, you put your milk. Then turn on the stove. Then pour the milk. Then add water. Then I'm going to add this kind of tea leaves. I'm going to add like 4 of them. Then I'm going to add tea masala. Not really much. And then I'm going to leave it until it boils. So the tea is boiling now. I'm going to reduce the heat so it can cook slowly. At this point, I'm going to add sugar. If you use sugar, at this point you can add your sugar. Now the tea is ready to serve. I'm going to turn off the stove. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends.